Question number 57 says we have a region and we have to find the area of the region. This is Cartesian. Area equals to limit 0 to 2 pi and y dx. So y is 3 sine x by 2 dx. This is pretty straightforward. So integration of sine theta by the fundamental rule of calculus is 3 would be 3. This would be minus cos theta, and by the chain rule, derivative of the angle half x is going to be half, and the limit is going to be 0 to 2 pi. So this means we can write 3 divided by half is going to be 6, so minus 6 cos pi by 2, 0 to 2 pi. If I put the limit, so 2 pi would be minus 6 cos 2 pi by 2 minus 6 cos 0 by 2 is going to be 0. So this 2 cancels, cos pi, so minus 6 cos pi is minus 1 minus cos 0 is 1. Remember from C2, cos 0 is 1 and cos pi is minus 1. So 6 minus plus 6 equals to 12. That's the area. This is question number A. In question number B, we have to find the volume generated by the solid in case this is rotated on the x-axis. Remember, volume is solid space and this needs to be rotated for making it a solid space. So volume equals to limit 0 to 2 pi y square dx. So if I bring the pi outside, 0 to 2 pi, y is going to be 3 sine theta is x by 2 whole square dx. This would be pi 0 to 2 pi 9 sine theta whole square is sine squared theta x by 2 dx. We can just bring the 9 constant outside. This would be 9 pi 0 to 2 pi. Now sine squared theta, you remember while integrating sine squared theta we use an identity and then we use the fundamental rule of calculus, and this is the identity. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. So we can write 2 sine squared theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta. Therefore we can write sine squared theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So this is the identity that we can use for that particular sum. So we can write half 1 minus cos 2 theta, meaning 2 of x by 2. Remember, this was already x by 2, so this is theta, so 2 theta means 2 of x by 2, and divided by 2 is the same as multiplied by half. From here we can write 9 by 2 pi, I'm bringing this constant outside as well, integration of 0 to 2 pi 1 minus cos x dx. So remember, this 2 and this 2 cancels and we get that. So next we get 9 by 2 pi, integration of 1 is x minus integration of cos x is sin x, divided by chain rule is 1, so I'm not writing that. So 0 to 2 pi, so this would be 9 pi by 2. If you put 2 pi here, it would be 2 pi minus sin 2 pi minus, if you put here, it will be 0 minus sin 0 is 0. So it would be 9 pi by 2, 2 pi minus sin 2 pi means sin 360 degree, this is 0. So this would be 9 pi by 2 into 2 pi. So this 2 and 2 cancel, this would be 9 pi squared.